What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I just got back from Hawaii and it was super fun, very fun time. Went on a lot of hikes, snorkeling, saw a sea turtle, which was cool, and got to know a Canadian, which was pretty good. Hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving and a good time with family and friends. It's a good time to reflect and be thankful for the blessings that we have in our lives. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the one and only trade for the day. I haven't really been trading a whole lot as I was in Hawaii, like I said, so I did trade a little bit Friday, and I did lose a little bit of money, so spoiler alert. But we're gonna go ahead and review that trade. I thought it was a good trade, so let's go ahead and hop on into it. Also, gonna be trying something new this time around. While we're reviewing the trades, I'm gonna be taking my face cam off the monitor so y'all can see the whole charts. If y'all think this is a better idea, then let me know. If y'all would prefer to see my face cam while we're reviewing the trades, let me know that too. I just thought it would be better for y'all because y'all can see exactly what I was seeing and not have my face cam blocking some of the information. Alright, for the first trade of the day and the only trade of the day, I saw SPY was having some trouble getting over this 402.70 level, and then we finally busted over it and we pushed a little bit, and now we're coming back and retesting that level. We're also forming a bull flag, so I like this setup a whole lot, and I was looking to go long here. Okay, got out, stuck to plan there. It was kind of unfortunate as I got in as it was pulling back under this inflection point. So that kind of put a kink in my plans a little bit as I was hoping it would hold this point. But then I set another effective stop right under it, so still keeping my losses small, not freaking out, looking for another place to risk off of. And then I start to plan. Once it broke that risk and held below it and I didn't see it wicking back above it, I got out and kept my losses small. This is what we're looking like for the month of November right now. Not a whole lot of trading going on. Been at Hawaii and also been having some trouble at work trading, but I've now got back into the swing of things, so that shouldn't be a problem anymore. But yeah, so Friday we put up a -7, so keeping our losses really small, not really hurting us a lot, and we're getting screen time and getting experience, learning from our mistakes, and practicing good habits. So doing a good job, just not making money yet, which is fine. This is what we're looking like for the start of the account as of now, -750 smackaroonies. Part of learning how to trade, it's my market tuition, so that's fine. This is what the cumulative P&L looks like since the start of the account. Starting to even out a little bit again, hopefully. Keeping our losses small, risking a lot less, trying to find our niche and our edge again, trying to get confidence. So once we get some confidence and get a good routine and see some good results, we'll start scaling back up and hopefully we'll start going in the positive direction. And this is what we're looking like since the start of November. November again hasn't been a very active trading month. Been trading off and on a little bit, but we're keeping our losses really small. We're risking a lot less as we have lost our confidence and kind of lost our edge. So we're just trying to build that up right now while risking small amounts of money, and we're doing a good job. Learning, we're growing again. Only down $17 for the month. That's not bad. This is what the cumulative P&L looks like right now. Very volatile, and we are going in the downward direction right now, but again, keeping our losses small, focusing on learning and growth, which is the key. And now to review the notes for the day. So the mistakes that we made, we did not make a YouTube video right after the trading day. It was because I was in Hawaii and I was trying to spend my time in Hawaii with my cousin and very active. So as far as excuses go, I thought that was a pretty good excuse. Actually, I take that back. I was not in Hawaii. I just had some Thanksgiving plans. That's what it was. So maybe it's not as good as an excuse as Hawaii, but it's still a pretty good excuse. So I'm going to use that. I had a pretty good excuse. Gonna not beat myself up too much, but we're getting past the holidays now and I want to get back into that routine of where I edit right after work and post consistently and start pumping out these videos again. And then my other mistake was I did not review the previous day or daily charts. I didn't wake up early enough to do that. So the key there is to wake up early enough to do my whole morning routine, to meditate, to do my devotion, to make some morning tea, and then also give myself enough time to get ready and then review these charts before heading to work. And another thing I could do to help me wake up early enough is go to sleep earlier. I need to work on going to sleep earlier, so I sleep better, sleep more, and then it's easier for me to wake up early. Also got a Whoop recently, which tracks my sleep really well. Very cool. I would recommend it. I can't talk enough about it. I love tracking my sleep and my activity. I love bragging about it with my girlfriend, although we are not on good terms right now. We're kind of beefing a little bit. Part of relationships. Hopefully, we get past it. Anyway, we're talking about trading right now. We can talk about relationships later. What I did right for the day. I waited for a quality setup and I executed that setup well. Didn't work out in my favor, but I quickly made a plan around that and then executed that plan very well. So, little pat on the back there. Now to review the missed opportunities for the day. Didn't really see any on triple Q, so going to bypass that and just stick with SPY today. So in SPY, I saw we pushed up, we were consolidating a little bit. We formed a resistance level right here. We pulled back and then we tested it again. I would have liked to gone short here. We pulled back and we briefly fell below this previous support level right here that we were having a lot of trading volume around. And then we retested it. I would have liked to gone short here as well. Then we fell and we didn't break this point, so we bounced off of it and we retested this inflection point. And I would have liked to have gone long here for a quick, 30 to 50 cent scalp. Tested this point again, we broke above it, but quickly dumped back below it. Retested this point another time, would have liked to go long here. Pushed up, had a lot of resistance at this point, and then we fell. This would have been a good area to go short at. It was a weird day though, because I think the markets closed early. The markets closed at 1 o'clock my time, Central Time, which is right here. So I don't think I would have been able to take these trades anyway, but they look like good setups still. Hindsight being 2020. So that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. It's good to be back. Again, I'm going to try to start posting consistently, focusing on forming good habits around editing, just being disciplined in editing the videos, even though I don't feel like it, getting home and forming a good process that once it's formed would make it easier to edit consistently and pump out these videos for y'all as well as for myself. So, hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. Hope y'all are having a good weekend right now. And it's good to be back. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.